on, boys and girls? Welcome back to Automotive Art TV. It's May, and that means Barbados is turning all the way up right into rally season. And that means that we got something super duper extra saucy and special just for you. If you're like me, you've probably spent many a night, an afternoon, a morning, a night, a evening, thinking, how could I possibly get the chance to go for a ride in this, or this, or this, or this? Well, guess what? Your dream is coming true, people. All you gotta do is spend a little bit of money, you know what I mean? Just fill out your thing, put it in your thing, and then at the end of the month, we're gonna pull the, look, you won. This could be you. It's very simple, people. Every $100 that you spend in our stores will get you one chance to enter to win a ride with Josh Reed, Dane Skeete, Edward Corbin, and guest driver for Rally Barbados 2023, Hayden Paddon. All going down at the rally show on June 3rd at Bushy Park. But to give you guys a real idea of what it's like, I'm about to get in this behind the wheel and take it for a drive. Well, we're gonna get in this and I'm gonna show you what it's like.
Hey, no.
Oh, the other side. You ready? No. So sick.
We're gonna get going. Yep, we're gonna go again. There we go. Oh my god. Alright, that's gonna do it. Yep. One more time. Yep. Dude. Oh my god, dude, these cars are so sick. So remember, boys and girls, this could be you. You could be sitting just where I am at June 3rd at the rally show at Bushy Park. All you gotta do is come into our store, spend $100. Every $100 you spend is gonna get you an entry form, and 8 lucky winners are gonna have a chance to sit down next to Josh Reed or Dane Skeete or Edward Corbin or guest driver for Rally Barbados 2023, Hayden Paddon. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, guys, and to sweeten the deal, if you include a Valvoline item in your order, that is going to double your entry chances, and you could be experiencing exactly what I am. Dude.